Want to allow others to download your videos from TikTok, but not sure how? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to allow others to save your videos on TikTok. Now let's get started. To allow other users to save your videos on TikTok, open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Then select Settings and Privacy. Select Privacy. Then scroll down and tap Downloads. To enable downloads of your videos, tap the switch labeled Video Downloads. Once this is enabled, other users will be able to download your videos from TikTok. That's all it takes to allow others to save your TikTok videos. Want to learn how to save TikTok videos? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.